Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science class of standard 9. In this video we are going to learn about the classification of living organisms into 5 kingdoms. In 1967, ecologist Robert Whittaker divided all living organisms into 5 categories on the basis of cell structure, body organization and mode of nutrition. The 5 kingdoms are Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. The first kingdom, Kingdom Monera. The cell of these organisms lack in membrane bound nucleus, hence they are known as prokaryote. They are unicellular. The mode of nutrition is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. These kingdoms mainly include bacteria, blue-green algae and mycoplasma. Kingdom Protista is next. The organisms of this kingdom are eukaryotics, unicellular. Mode of nutrition is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Most protists are aquatic, include unicellular algae, diatoms, protozoans like amoeba, euglena, paramecium, etc. Kingdom Mycota, also called Kingdom Fungi. They are eukaryotic. They may be unicellular or multicellular. The mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. They obtain their nutrition from dead and decayed organic matter, hence they are known as saprophytes. Yeast, mushroom, penicillium are the members of this kingdom. Now the most complex kingdom is Kingdom Plantae. Plants are eukaryotic, multicellular and photosynthetic autotrophs. The kingdom plant is further classified into 5 broad subdivisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Finally, we reach the kingdom with most complex organisms, Kingdom Animalia. The cells of these organisms are eukaryotics. It includes animals